we move to the last programming chapter on chapter 1. It's called give exit power to user. It's like this simple image I'm putting. So let's see the background is according to our logic. Until now, all the program we have written so far work only one iteration of inputs. So which means no matter is the calculator or converter, once you finish feeding something, then program do the calculation, then it's a stop or it's finished. So what we want to do is we want to give this choice to, or power of choice to user. We need to let the user to tell computer is I want to stop. Otherwise, it should be wait on the user to do another calculation. So that is the this one. I would like to show you here. Let's go to the new one. So 01 13. So what we call is run until exit. Run until exit py. So the magic here is we will create our infinite loop. So this loop is doesn't exist unless ask to do something and the user gave some predefined answer. Then we will make that finish. So let's have our header first. So this program is called is run until exit layout. So we're starting from this the simple sample, then we will apply that back to one of our existing the program. So what we want to do is just def our fun part is print I'm in an endless loop. So you see here, because I used to use these double quotes for string, so within that actually I can use these single quotes. But if you are using single quotes and you want another single quote, then you need to have that slash to convert this meaning. So that is just something is you need to pay attention. So if min, so ensure is double the underscore is the min. Then while true, so now because we don't know how many loop the numbers we will do, so it can be the infinite. So the better to use while, not for. So we will call our program. So later sample we will replace find to some meaningful the program. Then you can see here. So the useful logic is here. So we want to read our answer. So answer is ask, do you want to exist? And yes or yes. So if I got our if answer, so because it's just our string, so we don't need any conversion, then we do the break. The break is one keywords that will allow this program to actually quit. So let's run this. So you can see here, I'm in endless loop means is actually call this function. If I say no, it's run again. If I say whatever others, so as long as you don't type, even you type yes, because it's not our answer required, it will not trigger this break. But when you see why, it's exit. So it's better is we have putting that with comma. So that will be looks better. So this logic you can use that as a template, and now let's apply this to our the multiplication table, or maybe we do that is we see some easier one. So let's do the enhanced unit converter. So this one is more useful. So let's see. So we copy that and rename this to 14 and with exist. So what we will do is enhance the unit power, a converter with exist power to user. So what we will do is only thing is we are applying here. So we print manual and then we put all of them into the while true. So this we just already learned, and all those are packaged into the while, and you need to have an indent. And after all of this, we will have such kind of the answer. Input, do you want to exist? And we put this yes or yes. We give a comma, and if answer equal to y, then break. If not, it's continue to run. So then we have our the forever running the converter. Let's see. So I want to convert this kilometer. So 120. So I go that, and they convert to miles. Now is no, I don't want to exist. Then the computer asks you next choice. So now is I try to go to the pounds to kilogram, the converter. So do you want to exist? No, I want to do something more. So I want to have the temperature converter. So I want to have 38 to check is whether I'm favored in the Fahrenheit. Is converted. Now is I have enough calculation, and I will exist. So that is better than is every time you need to repeat running again and again. So so I hope is now we finish all of these 5 the challenge here. I already put the first 3 challenge coding link in here. Not link, but I indicate this one is referred to 3, and actually is for the this one is we have 2 program related to this. So that is the mind map enhancements. And once we finish this video, I hope excuse me, I hope is you also get the power of exit choice provide to user. Then is finish this chapter 1. And from next video, we will go to the chapter 2. That will be more exciting because chapter 1 we focus on only the number, but chapter 2 we will starting to do some the graph. To see you can use the Python to draw something, and visualize your data. So I first is a congratulations to you is follow me finish the first chapter, and I would like to see you in the chapter 2 as well. So if you like the video, welcome to follow my channel, or is give you a sponsor to my GitHub repository as well. So, so that will encourage me to continue making more videos for you to learn. So thank you again, and see you then.